Peace. Welcome back to the Absolute Boss Collective. Coming back at you with another $500 update. This is 11 trades to 135%. Okay? And we're going to jump right into it. QQQ 726 355 call at 303.51. Out at 379.48 for a profit of $75.97 or 25.03%. Next, we have that IBM trade. You can find details on that IBM trade in my Anatomy of a Trade section. Check that out. So for IBM, I purchased the 730, 139 call at 269.51. I was out of that trade at $529.48 for a profit of $259.97 or 96.46%. Next up, I have SPY 726 434 call at 184.51, out at 214.48 for a profit of $29.97 or 16.24%. Little tongue tie. SPY 721 434 call. I had 10 of them. I was in that trade at 415.14, out at 454.83 for $39.69 or 9.56%. Next, I had the SPY August 13th 450 call at 136. I had 3 of those contracts at 45 cents each. I was out at 58 cents or $175.45 for a profit of $38.91 or 28.49%. Next up, SPY August 30th 443 call, in it at 456 at 51, 456.51, out at 491.48 for a profit of $34.97 or 7.66%. Okay, the next 3 are on the Russell. I had the 820 217 put in at 465.51, broke north at 493.48 for a profit of $27.97 or 6%. Next up, August 27th 221 call, in at 499.51, out at 529.48 for a profit of $29.97 or 5.99%. Next up, back in the August 27th, but this time the 222 call, in it at 473.51, out at 507.48 for a profit of $33.97 or 7.17%. Oh yeah, I got 2 more Russells. That same 222 call, I was in at 503.51, out at 583.49 for a profit of $79.97 or 15.88%. 2 more to go and we're done. I got the SPY August 30th 444 call, was in it at 474.51, out at 513.48 for a profit of $38.97 or 8.21%. Lastly, Russell IWM August 27th 224 call, in it at 479.51, out at 517.48 for a profit of $37.97 or 7.91%. Add all of those up, that will equal $677.36 or 135% on $500. Okay, if you are new to the channel, do yourself a favor and subscribe. Do me a favor and hit that like button. Hit the notification bell so you can be aware when I come out with more $500 challenge updates. Okay, now as you can see, a lot of my trades, small, $25, $30, $40, those trades add up. Some people like to swing for the fences and go for 1,000% returns. That's fine. That's not my comfort zone. Flipping is my comfort zone. I'm in and out. You want to learn how to do something like that? Go ahead and leave it in the chat. I'm coming out with a Telegram group so I can share these trades with you before I take them so you can join it. Make sure that you sign up for my $500 contest. So if you don't have no money to get started with, that could be your opportunity. This is your brother in trading and investing, Absolute, signing out for the Absolute Boss Collective. Peace.